This week, for my homework this week, I have to do a competitor analysis chart between any soda brand, but I chose water instead. So on my y-axis, I'm gonna put pH level, low to high, and then x-axis, expensive to not expensive. I'm gonna work on that, and then I also will write a paragraph about if I were to enter the market as a water brand, where would I place myself on this chart? So after finishing that, I have no other homework this week than to do keyboarding, and that's about it. So I'm gonna record myself doing that. So now I'm done the competitor analysis chart to see like if the price of water dictates how much pH it has. So we see sometimes when the water is more expensive, there's a higher pH level which people desire, like consumers desire. But on the other hand, like Nestle is like a cheaper brand and it still has a high pH. So talking about like where I would place myself on this graph, I talked about two ways. I said if I were to enter the market in a competitive water business in 2025, I could take two routes. Either do something that the market has never seen before and make my water expensive. For example, the brand Liquid Death is a water company that nobody even knew it was water, but people were attracted to buying it because the packaging looked like beer and marketed the water brand like an alcoholic beverage. Another route I would take is placing myself at the Kirkland area of the graph, which would be up here. The reason is because that water already has such high margins, I just have to make it simple with a twist. For example, I could make regular cheap water, but change the shape of the bottle to make it more ergonomic to the consumer. Changing the bottle shape could make the consumer want it and make it more desirable. Next, after this, I'm gonna do around 30 minutes of typing, and that would be it for today. So for typing today, for like a month ago, I was probably slower. Before I was averaging like high 50s. Today I averaged around 50, 51, 52. So main problem is like the apostrophes and like semicolons. I have like issues with typing. And then maybe next day I want to like go online and then find some things, like some typing techniques I could try and then look at videos. But since when I started, my typing has improved quite a lot. On February 10th, I was averaging 35 words per minute. And then now my highest around 60, 65, 68. So almost 70. But now tonight, it's like late right now. So it's maybe because I'm tired, around like 55, 50. So my accuracy is quite high in the 93%. So that's what I like to see. Maybe if I increase it to 95%, it'll also make me faster. And that's it for my video today.